Hey, what is up sa inyong lahat? I'm Justin Rodriguez and here is the summary of my 2 weeks personalized exercise program. Without further ado, let's go! Pero bago syempre yan, flex muna tayo. Sheesh! First up is papogi, then stretching, dapat hindi mawawala yan. First day of the week, pull up yung exercise na ginawa ko dito. Variation lang naman. Yan yung pinakauna, which is dead hang. Parang lalambitin ka lang sa baras. Ayan, dapat ma-activate mo yung scapula mo. Malalaman mong activated yung scapula mo if lumayo yung shoulder mo sa tenga mo. 4 sets, 20 seconds each. So next is semi pull up. Dito naman is i-activate and deactivate mo yung scapula mo. 4 sets and 10 reps each. Kung may nagtatanong bakit di na lang tayo dumiretso sa pull up, is sagot ko is for beginners po ito. So next exercise is pull up negative. Yung gagawin mo dito is tutungtong ka sa silya and aakyat ka sa pinakataas and dahan-dahan pababa. Ginawa ko dito is 4 sets and 10 repetition each. And after that, pahinga isang araw. Second day of the week, push up naman yung ginawa ko. Variations lang din. Una is yung normal push up. Second is diamond o yung tinatawag na close hand push up. Next is yung archer push up. Ayan. Yung gagawin mo dito is left and right lang naman. Left and right yung push up. So yung ginagawa ko 4 sets, each side 10 reps. Next naman is yung pseudo push up. Kinaibahan nito sa push up na normal is yung hand mo is malayo sa shoulder mo, tapos bababa ka. Ganun lang po kadali. And up next, syempre kailangan natin mag flex ng taba. Sheesh! Lahat ng ginawa kong push up na variation na yon for the second day of the week, 4 sets, 10 repetition each. And that's all for the second day of the week. Next is recreational activity, which is yung basketball. Pero bago tayo magsimula dun, syempre kailangan natin mag-stretching. Hindi dapat mawawala yan. Moving on, ayun na nga, maglalaro lang ako ng basketball. Usually yung ginagawa ko, I'll just shoot around lang naman po. Tapos dribble. Tapos pag may kalaban na dumating, yun po, nakikipaglaro po ako. Pag nagbabasketball ako dito sa amin, umaabot ako ng halos 3 oras. Mga 2 oras, ganun. Pag nakikipaglaro, lalo na pag may dayo. Dagdag na rin yun sa physical activity. Yan, nagdi-dribble na yan. Yun, bawas timbang, tapos nakapagpa-condition pa tayo, di ba? Yun lang po. Maraming salamat.